YouTube, it's your girl Queen K here again with another video, and today's video is actually going to be something a little different. Still of course hair care, but it's not a review on anything. It is not actually a hairstyle that I'm going to be doing, so I'm trying to venture out and do a little bit different things than just protective hairstyles for my natural hair, but of course still staying natural. So your girl thought a headband wig. So one of my best friends got one, and I was like amazed by it. I was like, oh my god, it looks so good. And she gave me this website, and I'll have all the information down below of where I got it from, which was on Amazon. So we're gonna do an unboxing, in my opinion, review, and actually try it on to see how it looks. So I'm kind of excited about that because I haven't had anything outside of my real hair out or braids since September of 2019 for my wedding. So it's been that long. So let's open it up. So of course it comes with 2 headbands and then the wig itself. So it's a straight wig. It's a 20-inch that I got. Let's see. Of course it has this on it. So once I take it off, take this out. Alright, y'all. Here it is. So yeah, so the inside comes with 4 clips, 1, 2, and 3, and then there's one at the bottom. Oops, I can find it. And then one at the bottom. It comes with the actual headband, as you guys can see on the top, and then that, I guess, goes on the back. And yeah, it's kind of fuzzy. Yeah, it's a little fuzzy. So it's supposed to be human hair, so I'm wondering if I can press that. It's kind of fuzzy. I don't like it. Like, this hair is just sticking out. You probably can't see it, but it's just like little hairs sticking out everywhere. Alright, so let me braid my hair down real quick, I guess, and put this baby on. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I just did 2 quick braids to the back, and let's try this on. I've never put on a real wig before in my life, so you guys will see firsthand. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Like, let me know what you guys think about this. I mean, the hair is definitely super soft, easy to put on. I'm just worried about the little hairs that's coming, but I'll probably just flat iron it to see, because this is supposed to be human hair, and it says it on this pack. Yeah, headband wig, human hair. 150% density. But I'll have all that information in the description box. I like it, you guys. Let me try it with one of the headbands taken. I'm gonna just have to do it like this because that way it's not working. Oh, I have to put it that way. I didn't put the combs in, y'all, so that's why you keep seeing it slide. I saw one girl, like, I'm trying to put the combs in. I really don't know. Headband. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm starting to like it. I haven't had my hair like this type of style in so long. I am actually kind of liking it. I wish it was just a little thicker, thick here, because it is kind of thin. But this looks about right to the length for the 20-inch. And yeah, I mean, you guys see me putting my fingers through it. It's not detangling yet, so that's a good sign. And it was easy to put on. It came with 2 headbands, so I like it. I'll have to do an update on it after a couple of weeks. That's when you find out if you get your true value. But I don't think I even paid a lot for it. But like I said, the description with the information, all that will be in the description box below. So definitely check that out. But yeah, you guys, I'm kind of excited. I really do like this. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching to the end. I am going to be looking in the mirror for a couple of hours with this wig on, but stay tuned next week for another video. And like I always do, thank you for watching and staying such loyal subscribers. I definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely comment in the comment box and let me know if you like this on me. Should I, try to do more of these? Should I, give my protective braids a break for a second? Just let me know, and yeah, we will go from there. But thanks again, you guys. I will see you next time.